Very good morning to all of you. This is Lakshman Kumar from Yeluru branch, West Godavari. Today I am going to discussing about the chemistry assignment for 7th class students, in which the first question is how does air move? The first one is the how does air move? The air which is moved from high pressure area to low pressure area. How it is means for best one example, what is that means? Already you know that if we heat the iron rod at one end, the second end also it becomes heat. How it is possible? We heat the iron rod one end. But if we touch the second end of the iron rod, we feel very heat. We feel hot. How it is possible means the heat which is transfer from hot area to cool area, like that. The air also which can move from high pressure area to low pressure area. So here we can write the answer. How does air move? Means the air moves. The air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. So answer, the air which can move from high pressure area to low pressure area. Now coming to the second one, take a balloon and fill it with air. Okay, take a balloon and fill it with air. Heat it slowly. What happens? Heat it slowly. What happened? What is the second question? The second one, take a balloon. Take a balloon and filled with air and filled with air. Heat it slowly. Then what happened? Here what they asked, taken the one balloon which is filled with air and heat the balloon. If we heat the balloon, then what happened means the air which is present inside the balloon which exert the pressure on the walls of the balloon. If we heat the balloon, the air which is present which exert the air which is present inside the balloon which exert the pressure on the walls of the balloon. Coming to the third one, what is the cause of pressure difference in wind? What is the cause of the pressure difference in wind? Only one reason. What is the reason means we can say like that. Wind is the primarily driven by difference in air pressure. Based on the air pressure, the wind which can flow from one area to another area. Why we can get the difference in the air pressure? The difference in the air pressure, difference in air pressure due to different temperatures. Due to temperature difference. Due to temperature difference. And why we get the temperature difference on the surface of the earth in different places? Why we get the, for example, on the surface of the earth in different places which is having the different temperature. Why we get the different temperature? Because of solar energy received at the surface of the earth. Depending on the solar energy received at the surface of the earth. And one more thing, we can say the sunlight absorbed by the earth crust, depending on the latitude of the location. These reasons we can say difference in air pressure. So wind is the primarily driven by difference in pressure. Coming to the fourth one, what happens in the mouth of the inflated balloon is opened. Here we have to know one thing. If we blow the air into the balloon, we observe the inside air which is present in the balloon, which exert the more pressure on the balloon compared to outside air present in the balloon. So the air which is present inside the balloon, which exert the more pressure compared to the air which is present surrounding the balloon. So when we open the mouth of the balloon it will move in opposite direction. So we can write here balloon it moves in opposite direction. So observe, balloon it moves in opposite direction. Why it moves in opposite direction means so as to equalize the pressure inside and outside the balloon. So as to equalize the pressure inside and outside of the balloon. Now coming to the fifth one, why does winds occur? Simply we can say the winds occur due to the difference in atmospheric pressure. So we can write answer difference in due to difference in atmospheric pressure. And the winds which can move from high pressure area to low pressure area. I hope the students, you all of you understanding the topic. Thank you for everyone.